That's how far the water came up. That's the whole front entrance. So we basically done kind of gutted most of it. Still got to get some stuff out of these cabinets, take some of these shelves. A lot of art in here that we had to take out. Yeah, and the crazy thing about this house is this happened last year. Cool fireplace. Beautiful home, Coquina Key. You see the lines, how far I came up. It's crazy. We trying to get all the stuff that's salvageable up out of here so they can start doing. See the floors. See how bad the bathroom got. Oh man, look. Back door to step out. Sheesh. Should have put my boots on for this. So all of this was underwater. All of this was underwater. All of this. The water just went down so far. But, yeah, see, pushed up the wall, pulled up all of that. All of this was in 3 feet of water. And the ground's still soft. Super soft. And they say we got some more storms coming next week or something like that. So, man, it's crazy. This room didn't actually get, oh yeah. All of that was soaked all the way up to here. Man, it sucks. Well, what can you do?